How long does it take for a Temu order to arrive? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps and figure out how long it actually takes for a Temu order to arrive, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's say you've happened to order something on Temu and then now you're wondering how long did it really take for the Temu order to arrive? Well, how do you figure this thing out? So first of all, if you just go ahead and then come to the use section over here, you go to your orders tab, maybe you'll be able to see these details. It depends on two factors: if the order is within your country or outside of your country. So if it is within your country, usually it takes just a week or two for the order to arrive depending upon the seller. If it's outside the border, then there is no guarantee. It may well take over a month, 2 months, 3 months, or 4 months at the very maximum, and so on. If you'd like to view the status of your order, there will be various stages of an order such as processing, shipped, packaging, and delivered, and so on, and then you should be able to find those orders respectively over here. This way you'll be able to figure out how long it actually takes for your Temu order to arrive. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.